This app affairs show you
How to fix Reels option not showing in Instagram. Follow these step-by-step tutorial to get back this Reel option on your Instagram. The first solution is you have to update your Instagram app. So go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If you see any update available, update the Instagram app. Once the Instagram app successfully updated, tap on open. And now here you should get the Reel option. And the second solution is go to your Instagram profile and tap on this menu icon at the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. Tap on log out. Tap on log out. Once you logged out, now tap and hold on your Instagram app and tap on this info button. Scroll down and tap on storage, and here tap on clear cache, and then tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Once done, again tap and hold the Instagram app. Tap on uninstall. Tap on OK. Once you've successfully uninstalled the Instagram app, go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram and reinstall the app. Once it's installed, open the Instagram app. Sign into your Instagram account. And now here you should get this Reel option. And the next solution is, first of all, take a screenshot of this homepage and now go to your Instagram profile. Tap on this menu icon at the top right. Settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on help. Tap on report a problem. And here tap on upload and select your Instagram homepage screenshot that you just captured. And here you have to carefully describe that the Reels option not showing or not available on your Instagram. Now all you have to do is just send this report, and after some time check your Instagram, and now you should get the Reels option. And the last and final solution is you have to install a Instagram old version. To do that, go to a browser and search for old Instagram APK and open this website up down, and here you will find Instagram older version. All you have to do is just open a older version and just download the app. Once it's downloaded, go to your file manager and go to the download folder, and here you will find the Instagram APK. All you have to do is just tap on the file to install the older version. You should get the Reels option on your Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.